Dear students, in the last class we have solved the problems on Bode plot. The next topic is Bode plots for complex poles and zeros. Let us consider second order system g of s h of s equal to omega n square divided by s square plus 2 zeta omega ns plus omega n square. Now substitute s equal to j omega in this equation. We will be getting it as like this. We rearrange it as like this. Let us consider let u equal to omega by omega n. If you substitute that, we will be getting it as this. C of j omega r of j omega equal to 1 divided by under root of 1 minus u square whole square plus 2 zeta u whole square. Actual magnitude in dB equal to minus 20 log of under root of 1 minus u square whole square plus 2 zeta u whole square. Actual phase angle equal to angle 1 divided by angle 1 minus u square whole square plus j 2 zeta u. Actual phase angle equal to minus tan inverse of 2 zeta u divided by 1 minus u square. Now here to analyze this, we are going to approximate it under case 1 when mu is less than 1, mu square, mu zeta, mu square and mu zeta mu 2 zeta mu can be neglected when it is less than 1. This also, when compared to 1, this can be neglected. 2 zeta mu also can be neglected. So magnitude in dB, both these two terms will be neglected. So these two terms will be neglected. Minus 20 log of 0 equal to 0 dB per decade. Asymptotic angle equal to 0 degrees. Case 2, when mu is greater than 1 comma 2 zeta mu can be neglected. When these two are neglected, we can write it as omega by omega n is greater than 1. This can be written as omega is greater than omega n. Asymptotic magnitude in dB equal to minus 20 log of under root of mu to the power of 4. Since 1 can be neglected, if you neglect 1, mu square into mu square, that is mu power 4, minus 20 log mu. So minus 40 log of omega by omega n. Asymptotic, this can be written as minus 40 log of omega. Expand this log a by b equal to log a plus log b. So slope equal to change in magnitude divided by change in log omega. That is minus 40 dB per decade. Asymptotic angle equal to minus tan inverse of 2 zeta mu divided by minus mu square. When mu is large, that equal minus tan inverse 2 zeta minus mu. So when mu is, this is when this is small, minus tan inverse of small is, it can be neglected. So this can be written as minus 180 degrees. For complex poles, corner frequency is omega n. For n complex poles, less than corner frequency, the slope is 0, the angle is 0 degrees. Greater than corner frequency, minus 40 dB per decade, that is minus 180 degrees n. For greater than corner frequencies, for complex poles only, it is minus 40 dB. If it is a real pole, it is minus 20 dB. Complex poles always lies in phase, so minus 40 dB per decade. Then observe here, for different values of zeta, we will be getting it as different curves. When zeta is less than 0.5, the magnitude plot will be like this. At zeta is 1, zeta is greater than 0.5, this will be here, a corner frequency will be here. When zeta lies between 0 to 1, then it is here. This is the angle plot. For the angle plot also will be same thing. The errors at corner frequency. Actually, whatever we have discussed for real poles, the same thing will be hold for complex poles also. Whereas whenever a real pole is present, we will be taking it as minus 20. Whenever a real zero is present, we will be taking it as plus 20 dB per decade. Whereas for complex poles, we will be taking it as minus 40 dB. For complex zeros, we will be taking it as plus 40 dB. This is the angle. This is the error at error at corner frequencies. Please you can go through it. Similarly for complex zeros. For complex zeros, for n complex zeros, for less than corner frequency, the slope is 0, angle is 0 degrees. Greater than corner frequency plus 40 dB per decade, the angle is plus 180 degrees n. Correction at magnitude of correction at corner frequency is plus 20 log 2 zeta. You can observe here for complex zeros. Whenever we are having the complex zeros, the magnitude part will be when zeta is greater than 0.5, the curve will be like this. When zeta is less than 0.5, the curve will be like this. Zeta lies between 0 to 1, the curve will be like this. This is the plus 40 dB per decade. Draw the Bode plot for the g of s h of s equal to 1000 divided by s square plus 10s plus 100. G of s h of s equal to this. This can be written as like this. Rearranging into second order system. So omega n equal to 10 here. Compare with the standard form. So omega n equal to 10, and for this magnitude, are there any? So zeta, what is the zeta value? Zeta value is 0.5. The omega n value is 10 here. So 10 corner frequency 10. So initial slope is plus 20 dB per 20 dB. After that minus 40 dB. Shift in the 20 log 10, that is plus 20. You shift it, you will be getting it as like this. Shift this curve plus 20. We are not having any poles and zeros at origin, so initially we will be having a initial slope is 0. After that, at corner frequency 10, two poles are present, so minus 40 dB per decade. So zeta equal 0.5. Now shift is 20 log 10, that is plus 20 dB. So if you shift this curve to plus 20 dB, this is the resultant Bode plot, Bode magnitude plot. Similarly, the angle also we need to draw it. Combinedly, we will be calling it as Bode plot for the complex function. Now, this is the next problem is g of s h of s equal to this they have given. For this problem, to draw the Bode magnitude plot, are there any poles and zeros at origin? First we need to check it out. 1 0 is present at origin. So 1 0 is present at origin means plus 20 dB should be slope, initial slope. The next corner frequency is, where the next corner frequency 0.2. If it is 0.2, where the 0.2 is there, that is the pole. If we are having a pole, then what should be the slope? The slope due to the pole, the slope should be, actually it should be like this. Here the slope should be minus 20. Minus 20 plus 20, it is 0 dB. So it's the straight line, 0 dB. The next corner frequency is 3. If this is the 3, next corner frequency is 3. We need to arrange the corner frequencies. Corner frequency is 3. What the zeta value? 0.5. Zeta is 0.5. Initially it is 0. Now this here we are having two complex poles. So if we are having two complex poles, the slope should be minus 40 dB per decade. Once again I am repeating, whenever the poles are present, we need to take it as either minus 20 dB per decade or minus 40 dB per decade. Minus 20 means if you are having a real pole, minus 20. If you are having a complex poles, minus 40 dB per decade. And at 20, where the 20 is present, the 20 is present, it's a real 0. So the slope should be increased by plus 20, minus 40 plus 20, minus 20 dB per decade. Similarly, the angle also, for each and every term we need to calculate the angle. We will be getting it as like that. To calculate the angle, the formula is tan inverse of imaginary part divided by real part. For these terms, individual terms, we need to calculate the angle and we need to plot this magnitude plot and phase plot. Yeah. The next one is inverse plot. Similarly, they will be giving Bode plots. We need to find the transfer function for the complex poles and complex functions. This is the Bode plot for this. For the initial magnitude, the initial magnitude is initial slope is 0. So there are no poles or zeros at the origin. So k divided by corner frequency, we are 1, 5, 10. These are the corner frequencies. Zeta they had given 0.4. K into 1 plus s divided by 1 plus s by 5. 1 plus s, the slope has been increased by here 20 dB. So 0 is present at corner frequency 1, that is 1 plus s. 5 is there, plus 20 dB. Here it has been gone to 0 dBs. So pole is present at a corner frequency 5. Here, from here, the slope is minus 80 dB per decade. If it is a minus 80 dB per decade, the zeta value they had given 0.4. So two complex poles are present. So this is the transfer function. 0 dB equal to 20 log k. So the transfer function is this. The k value is 1. If k value is 1, transfer function is 1 plus s divided by 1 plus s divided by 1 plus s by 5 into 100 divided by s square plus 8s plus 100 whole square. Yeah. The next problem is this. What the initial slope? Minus 60 dB. Minus 60 dB is there. If the initial slope is minus 60 dB, then 3 poles are present at origin in the transfer function. So k by s cube. The k value will be finding at last. K by s cube. Initial slope is minus 60 dB. So we need to write as 3 poles are present. After that, plus 60 dB. In the problem they had given zeta equal to 0.2 and omega n equal to 2. So for that you need to write it as zeta equal to 2 zeta omega ns. That is s square plus 0.8s plus 4 divided by 4 whole cube. Why we need to write as whole cube? That means whole cube means initially it is 60 dB. Now it is plus 60 dB. What is the difference? The difference is 120. So 120 means 3 complex zeros are present. Each complex zero it is 40 dB. So 40 dB into 3, that is 120 dB. The difference in slope is 120 dB. The transfer function is this: k by s cube, s square plus 0.s plus 4 by 4 whole cube. To find out the k value, what is the initial magnitude? At 0.1 the magnitude is 20. So 20 log k minus 20 log 0.1 whole cube. 20 log k plus 60 minus 40 equal to minus 40 equal to 20 log k. K equal to 10 power minus 2, 0.01. The transfer function equal to, this is the transfer function. Substitute the k value 0.01 whole cube, s square plus 0.8s plus 4 divided by 4 whole cube. This is about the Bode plots. If you are having any doubt regarding Bode plot, please let me know. We will be clarifying the doubts, or practice well. And by seeing the Bode plot, we must be able to do the transfer function, or by seeing the transfer function without keeping the pen and paper, directly we can say that this is the transfer function. If you practice well, that you can do it. So we practice more and more and try to submit the problems as an assignment. Thank you.